Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 305 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Santee, you know what, I think it's pronounced Santee, I'm going to call it Santee, liquid foundation that I got from ShopMissA. I want to show you the packaging on this because I think it's cute. Since this is from ShopMissA, it's only $1 and it's cruelty free. I have it in the shade 6, but this only comes in 6 different shades and I'm pretty concerned that this is not going to match me because there were no swatches on the ShopMissA website. All of the shades basically looked the same, so I don't really know what I'm in for with this, but that's okay. At least it's only $1. I'm still gonna try it out. But so this claims to be medium buildable coverage and it's supposed to be lightweight. I jammed my nail into my nose today when I was taking off my workout tank top after Pilates this morning. So I gave myself this like huge mark on my nose. It's like hashtag big nose problems. But I really need to be able to cover this up, so hopefully this foundation works for me. I also have all of this redness, large pores, blemishes that I want to cover up. So hopefully this foundation will do the trick. I did already prime my skin using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love that one. I love the way it makes my skin look and feel, so it's a good base and a good test for a new foundation because I know how that primer affects my skin. Good, we have a safety seal here, making sure that it is not used and that it's sanitary. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze some out onto the back of my hand. So it's a pretty thick liquid foundation. This color looks dark for me, but oh well. And I'm just gonna take my trusty Real Techniques sponge and start applying this. So as I'm applying this, I'm kind of noticing a scent. It's not strong, it's not terrible, but it does have kind of like a chemical aroma to it. And this shade 6, you can see, is dark for me. I will say though, this is blending out pretty nicely using my sponge. This color looks crazy. Oh no. But I'm committed. I'm going to apply this to my whole face to really give this a thorough review. But I'm sorry, you have to look at this color difference. Oh my gosh. When I'm looking at myself in my little mirror here, the color doesn't look as crazy as when I look at myself in the viewfinder. I'm like, this is horrible. I look like an Oompa Loompa. Let's be honest, I do. This is really funny. And because the color difference is so extreme, it's kind of hard for me to judge the coverage. But like the way it looks on my skin when I'm ignoring the color and looking up close, it actually looks pretty nice on the skin. It's not settling into my pores, it's not gathering on any dry patches. It looks very smooth actually. And it does seem to be giving that medium coverage. I don't want to put any more on my face and build this up because I don't want to build up more of this color, but I'm going to take a little bit more and see if the coverage is buildable to cover up the scratch on my nose. Okay, yeah, this coverage is buildable. So that's good. I feel like a lot of the dollar store foundation products that I try out have like little to no coverage, so I appreciate that this one actually has decent coverage, decent pigment, and it does have a very dewy finish. It's definitely looking shiny on my skin. So even though the formula is okay, this is just a crazy color. It's so orange, so that's really the deterrent. So maybe, I mean, it's too dark for me, but it also just has such an orange tint to this that I'm pretty sure this wouldn't look good on most people. So they really have to fix their shade range here, but their formula, not terrible. I really wanted to do a wear test on this product to see how it would last all day, but clearly I can't go out wearing this on my skin. This is definitely my worst like shade matching fail that I've had so far in all of the ShopMissA products that I've tried. But oh well, it was bound to happen eventually. If you've tried this product though, please let me know your feedback in the comments down below, because I'd love to know if this works on your skin all day, if you've been able to actually wear it, because I'm clearly not able to, so I feel like I can't give this a full review. But those are my initial thoughts. So if you are interested in trying this for $1, I would say give it a try, because I think it's a nice formula, just not a nice color. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.